Welcome to online classes, students. Today we are going to learn table manners. Yes, this is the name of the chapter number 3, table manners. So, there is a question, right? Why do we need table manners in our life? Why do we need table manners? So, the answer is the good basic table manners. I just want to say good basic table manners are important because they ensure that others are comfortable at the table. So the certain set of etiquettes that should be followed at every place, right? While having food, there are few do's and don'ts that we must keep in mind, especially when we are eating outside, right? Out. So in this chapter, we are going to learn table manners, how to sit, how to wash hand properly, how to sit on the dining table, okay, how to take napkin on your lap. All these things we learn in this chapter. Okay, so go on. Let's start. See, table manners. How it's showing. Which one is correct and which one is wrong. A clean dining table always look decent and with good manners. So the first picture show how we have to sit and how we have to take food. In the second picture, you can see this is so look ugly, right? So messy. So what we have to do? We have to sit properly. We have to take our food properly with manners. So this is a basic etiquette we have to learn from the table manners. Second is washing hands. Remember in our previous chapter we learned wash your hands to be healthy. It's just related to it. Why we need wash our hands. To step how to wash hand properly to keep them germs free. So before sitting on the table, so go for the washing hands, right? So wash your hands and face properly before sitting at the dining table. Okay, students? So in this picture, wash your hands properly before sitting on the sitting at the dining table, right? So second picture, wait for elders or others, right? It's our duty that we should wait for others and for our elders. Don't start eating as soon as the food is served. Wait for other to start na. Okay. So next, this one is right thing. We have to wait for our elders. So here is in the picture, sit straight on the chair so the elbow do not touch the table. Why so? Sit straight so the elbow do not touch the table. Don't leave the table before anyone finishes their meals. These are the etiquettes that how you sit properly on the chair that would be helpful for your back, right? This one is the right position to eat a food. So we should sit straight so the elbow do not touch the table. Okay. Next, these pictures are right. First picture is right. Okay. Second picture, we can see a person take their hands on the table. That means that is the wrong position. And the third one, how to sit on a chair. So this is the third picture. Place the napkin on your lap. This one is very important because you know we are kids. So when we eat something and sometimes it just drop on your pants and shirts. So we need a napkin over lap. Okay, so this is the way you have to take napkin on your lap if you are little 13 or 14 years old. So you have to take on your lap. If you are 9 to 10, then you have to take under your collar, right? You have to take from the collar that napkin. So this is the picture that how a boy take a napkin from their collar, right? This picture is right that we have to take napkin first. So In this picture, the first thing we have to do after the napkin, recite prayer. Okay, recite prayer means that we are thankful to God that they given us food. We always do in the school, right? From from the recess, before the recess, we take a prayer for the gratitude towards that we have having food right now. This is blessing from our God. So recite prayer before the meal, right? Next, this one is right. Okay, this one is right. So now come to the point when we start our food, right? When we start our meal to eat. So what we have to do? We have to take with the right hand, chew properly with closed mouth. Why we do need this, right? Because when we eat and our mouth is like these kind of noise is very irritating. Ah, that word in Hindi, what we say, buffering and suffering, that Dakar, that one is very laughable for us and very irritating on the dining table. So don't do this, okay? If you want an extra serving dish, right? Say, please pass the dish, right? You have to just say politely, please pass the dish, right? Chew properly with the closed mouth, right? Don't do this. In this first picture, we can see a boy what he is doing. All the kids are doing. I know you all are, you also doing in your at your home. So don't do this at your home. Okay, just listen your mother's voice, right? Obey your mother. Okay, in this first picture, so we can see the first one where he taken all the food in his mouth. So don't do this. Just chew slowly and with the mouth closed. Okay, so we have to start with the eat with right hand. uh, Second picture showing that. Okay, come to the next. Which one is wrong and which one is right? So you can see by the tick of right and wrong position. So here, eat quietly and slowly. Why? Because eat quietly without burping and suppling make you a wise person, right? You look good because you are making noise with your mouth when ears are rises from your stomach. All these are very ugly, right? It's not looking good. So don't do this at dining table. Okay, so in this picture you can see a first boy looking very decent and nice. Why? Because he eating food very properly, without any noise, without any buffering and slubbering, right? So this one is right, but third one is wrong and the second one is also wrong. Okay, so eat without buffering and suffering की आवाज़ नहीं आनी चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए, right? Our mother always said to us at home. So don't do this. This kind of voice is very noisy and very I think can say untolerable. Okay, this one is wrong. So come to the next. Politely seek permission for the people. As earlier I said, whenever you want an extra dish, right, anything extra, just say to your mom or to the host that please pass the dish. It's look very nice, beta. So do this at your home. Politely seek permission from the people sitting around you. That's look very nice and you look very good. I can say good person, good little kid, right? Now come to the next point. Yes, express the gratitude, never criticize the food on the table. As when we recite the prayer, then what we are saying to God, that God, we are grateful, we are thankful towards you because you given us food. So how can you say that food is not good, right? So whenever you sit on the table, you have any food, right? Never criticize that. Okay, whenever you if you finish your meal early, have to leave, politely seek permission from the people sitting around you to excuse yourself, but never criticize the food on the table. Express gratitude for the hospitality of the host and the chef, right? They show how much you have manners inside you. Okay, so always express your gratitude towards the persons who host that, or your mother who make food for you, right? So this was picture is right, and the second was is also right. Please and thank you, these two words are very beautiful, so used in your daily lives. Okay, in the last, what you have to do, wipe your face with the napkin when you're done. And yes, if possible, help in cleaning the table, help your mother in every work. Okay, not even not only to clean the table, also in your household things you should, okay, share your work with your mother. So after eating the food, what you can do, if possible, help in clearing the table. Okay, this is one of thing that you can say thank you by your actions. Okay, first picture is right, how to wipe your face with the napkin. Second page, the girl is wiping their face, that is right. And after that, if possible, help in clearing the table. See, these are the table manners, what you have to do. Help setting up the table, wash your hands before eating, okay? Then take a napkin over your lap. Don't put your elbow on the table. Chew well, eat slowly and quietly. Don't use don't use fingers, right? Forks, spoons correctly. Chew your food, mouth closed. Never reach across the table. Say please, pass the food. Don't slap, okay? Food or drinks. Don't spill food or drinks. Don't play with the forks and spoons, right? Say excuse me when you want anything, right? Set up in a straight way while eating. No spitting around the table, that is very important, right? Be polite, say please, and say thank you. Put toys and electronics away, right? When we are eating, don't touch the gadgets, right? Okay, no, the other is show your gratitude. Don't talk food in your mouth. Don't talk with food in your mouth. And after that, right, place your napkin to the table. Wipe the table after the meal. So these are the table manners for you, and these are important in our life because it's these certain set of etiquettes show our manners in real life, that how matlab how kind of person we are, right? Okay, thank you students.